What's up, y'all? We are at Westgate, and guess what? The parking lot is full. Couldn't find parking. Is it like Fanatics live event over there in New York, or is it better? I think it's better. You do it better in the San Jose 418. Also, if you like C4 Energy, they got this great popsicle pop, like the actual popsicle. Check it out. C4, if you see this, sponsor me. It's all about the content. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. You got the nice X35 Canon 500. And I just got my iPhone, but it's okay. You got to start somewhere.
Right.
Anyways, just sold a Curry Rookie and a nice Kaminga Auto BGS.
Nice Kaminga Auto.
Warriors are coming up again.
Yep.
Anyways, we got it for 120.
120.
That's right.
Take the cash.
Dinero. You got to get the handshake. Numero uno, champions. Just did a quick deal with Ellie Brakes out of Yamamoto. 9.5, Matt Olson. $20. Otani, $20. Easy $40 bills right there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Check out her whatnot, right?
Yep.
There we go.
Ellie's Bake Shop on Instagram as well.
There you go. What's up, guys? It's your boy Sports Cards with Chef. We're here in Santa Clara at the Collected. We are at the National of the Bay Area. Just did a first deal with Daniel. Got the Zapdos, the Moltres, and Articuno.
Legendary birds.
Legendary
Never go
birds.
wrong with legendary birds.
CSA 10, $60.
What up, world? What up, world?
So the nice bulk for $80. Just did a quick little trade with Kenny Closet. A little patch action, and I got the pack. Come to him for your packs, blaster boxes. He got good deals. We got Joe Bite. We got Bite Size DJ right there. Check it out. It's got a nice Christian McCaffrey 1 out of 49. Check him out. Did a good deal with Keen once again. I did a sub. Got it back. Good deal. 180 for everything. For Tola, always.
Shouts out FA, shouts out Salino too.
He buys everything.
Yeah, it's right. Only from the right people though, man.
Yeah.
Let's not spread rumors now.
Hey, you said it though on your
I did say it, yeah.